Let's get over them. The next game we'll be playing is a pun-based game. Everything you see here is going to be a pun. And the game kind of works like this. It's called Innuendos. Thank you. Some of you may know this game. The setup of the game is, I like my women like I like my suggestion that you guys will give us. So an example would be, I like my women like I like my laptop computers. I'm always macking on them. Changed it up for those that know me. But that's how this game will go. So I'm going to put this mic here. And let's get a suggestion to start us off. Music. Music? Music. I like my women like I like my music. I like my women like I like my music. Sexy and to the point.
I like my women like I like my music. Alternative.
I like my women like I like my music. Hip-hopping all over the place. Let's get another one. College. I like my women like I like my college.
I like my men like I like my college. Diverse.
I like my men like I like my college. Hard.
I like my woman like I like my college. You gotta put in somewhere between 4 and 5 years of hard menial work to get anywhere.
I like my women like I like my college. Extremely hard to get in.
My men like I like my pizza delivered to me.
I like my women like I like my pizza with just cheese, just dripping everywhere.
I like my men or my women like I like my pizza. Greasy.
I like my women like I like my pizza. Big old pepperoni nipples. Let's get one more. Anything. Masturbation. One more time? Masturbation. I'm not understanding the word. Masturbation? Never heard of it. Right. I like my women like I like masturbation. I like my women like I like masturbation. I don't gotta do it. Woo! Now let's get one more. Let's get one more. Chocolate. Thank you. Chocolate. I like my women like I like my chocolate.
I like my men like I like chocolate, like me, dark brown.
I like my women like I like my chocolate, about 82% cacao.
I like my women like I like my chocolate, covered in very, very warm marshmallows.
That's our show! We are Model Minority. If you are interested in doing any of this, what we're doing now on stage, join us on Mondays at 6 p.m. That again is Monday at 6 p.m. at APSP. I know a lot of you guys know that. That's Costa Wall 244. And thank you, H&L, for having us for the second time.